The next stage, it is also planning. I took a rather soft pencil, 8B, and I'm going to mark the darkest spots. It would create a kind of standard for me not to go any darker. Later on, of course, I will probably modify my plan because the drawing will take me its own way, but I need some kind of measure of dark to keep in mind. I hope it's visible in the video, but the indentations I've made earlier, they are coming through. I cannot cover them with a soft pencil, which is good. And so on.